Hello everyone in Kigali Diocese. My name is Manasseh Tizere. I'm one of the pastors in Kigali Diocese, and I will serve the Lord in this diocese as a mission and training coordinator. And I also take pleasure, I'm very honored to be one of the people who support the Kigali link. Bring you all our greetings from Kigali Diocese, and I want to express my gratitude for having received a wonderful team of teachers trainers who were working with Kigali Diocese. They visited a number of schools, they did amazing things, training head teachers, teachers, librarians, and they really are great inspiration to us. And we have had 2 curates on their placement with us, and I have been astonished by their testimonies and their love for Rwanda. I think some of them go back dragging their feet and we really value this link, and we pray for its development. We obviously look forward to our visit to Kigali Diocese in order to enrich this link. Would you please continue to pray for Kigali Diocese? We have a 5-year strategic plan we have just launched, and a big part of it consists of training the members of clergy and lay leaders, whom we call catechists. Those are the people in charge of 192 congregations we have in Kigali Diocese, and we have a big vision for next year. It's going to be a year of evangelism and outreaches. We'll be touring the diocese with a lot of evangelists, sharing the good news,